The oven display has 888.88.88.
When the display illuminates in all 8s, it means that the display board has shorted. Try to unplug the oven or flip the breaker off to the oven for 5 minutes to see if the electronics will reset. If not, then you'll need to replace the display board. You will need the full model number to look up the correct board for your model, however. The full model will start with 911.40xxxxxx and it'll be located on a sticker around the front frame of the oven. It can be seen if you open the door or remove the drawer below the door if there is one. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.